Did the Maya vanish because of nature or foreign invaders? Stay and find out. One theory says a mega drought shattered Maya cities by the 9th century. Crops failed, reservoirs dried up, and cities were abandoned long before Europeans arrived. Centuries later, Spanish explorers brought deadly diseases, smallpox, measles, and influenza, wiping out millions of Maya descendants. Two tragedies, two timelines. What really happened to the Maya? Want deep dives on both theories? Let us know in the comments.